Hi everyone, it's Jonathan from Warp Design here. With everything that's going on at the moment, there's going to be a lot of people who are suddenly dependent on their website to do business, more so than usual. So we thought that we'd put together a few quick tips on how you can make sure that your website is lockdown proof and able to help you be successful online. So number one, make sure that your website is mobile friendly. Up to around 50% of your traffic these days could be coming through mobile and tablet devices, and possibly even more depending on which market you operate in. You need to make sure that everyone is able to place orders, read information about your business and communicate with you from every device. Particularly important when you consider a lot of people at the moment are going to be juggling childcare with perhaps running a business from home at the same time. You need to make sure it's as easy as possible for them to do business with you. Number two, make sure that your website is secure. You need what's known as an SSL certificate for your domain, and that is what creates the little padlock in your address bar that tells people your website is secure and that traffic between them and your server is encrypted. Without this, when people go to fill out a form or make a payment on your website, there's a chance they may see a message on some devices that warns them that your website is not secure. Think, would you be happy to put your credit card details into a website that says it's not secure? I don't think you would, so you need to make sure that your website is secure and that your customers can trust you. Otherwise they may go elsewhere with their money. Number three, make sure that your forms work. We rescue small business owners all the time from websites that are currently underperforming. One of the most common problems we come across is forms that either don't work, they don't know where the form inquiries are being sent to, or perhaps they're going out by email and those emails are being caught in spam filters. So given the need to make sure that your customers are able to reach you online at the moment, go and do a little check, send a test email to yourself and just make sure those form inquiries are coming through as they're meant to. Number four, make sure that your website is reliable and loading fast. Do a quick search online for website speed test. It will tell you if your website is loading quick enough, whether it's accessible, whether it follows best practice for search engine optimization, and a ton of other interesting things. If your website loads too slowly, there is a chance people are going to hit the back button and go elsewhere with their business. They'll click on one of your competitors' websites instead. If it's loading slowly, it could be to do with your hosting. If you're using a cheap web host at the moment, it might be saving you a few quid each month, but is it really in the best interest of your business if you could be hosting your website on a faster, more reliable and more advanced hosting platform? Number five, make sure that if you take payments on your website that these are all running smoothly, email notifications are going to the right places, your SSL certificate is showing the little padlock on your payment pages. You don't want anything getting in the way of someone completing a transaction with you, more so now than ever. If you don't currently take payments on your website, it might be worth considering, is now the time to add a simple order form and checkout to your website that allows people who would normally be coming into your shop or doing business face to face with you to order services and goods from you online. Number six, make sure that you remain available for your customers. Yes, we're all hunkering down in our houses at the moment and trying to stay healthy and safe and protect the community around us. However, we don't want to go AWOL. We need to make sure our customers know where we are, how they can reach us. Are there any implications with the current economic and health situation that are going to impact on the services and goods that you deliver? Look at adding live chat to your website, use your social media more, record videos like this one, and look at using email marketing to send personalized communications to your customers and respond to any leads that you get online. This way people will know that despite everything that's going on, you're still open and available to do business with them. So that's all really for the moment. Just be mobile friendly, be secure, make sure your forms are working, make sure your website loads fast, make sure your checkout and payment solutions are working, and above all, just be available and there for your customers Everyone needs to know what's going on at the moment. Don't hide away from them. If you need more help with anything we've touched on in this video, then message us on social media or visit our website warp-design.co.uk. There's plenty of information on there and ways to get hold of us. Thank you.